Ease of doing business, we are number one. Not ease of doing business, now we are working speed of doing business. I am asking my people, one example I am giving you how governments were working. Initially had a setback, but it is only a temporary setback. I am very thankful to Honorable Finance Minister. She was very generous to sanction money 15,000 crores for Amaravati. Amaravati is a greenfield capital. I have built earlier Hyderabad as a brownfield capital. 2 cities, 1 city I added. Now I am building Amaravati and connecting Guntur, Vijayawada, all cities. So greenfield city, we are going to have new features. This is, I can say, technology, utilities, green energy, and also district cooling, everything we want to bring. Only temperature, or otherwise this will be the best place to live. I am assuring you, because of water, Krishna River, fresh water, beautiful mountains, and also greenery, excellent greenery, and also we are going to have green energy, pollution free. You can have more lifespan also. If you can come and settle in Amaravati, that day is going to come. Nowadays, because of bandwidth, as you rightly mentioned, we are having all advantages. Government also is moving very fast. Decision making is real time. You are saying 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, no. I can give you across the table within 2 days or 3 days. Only statutory obligations will verify. Otherwise, no question of waiting. Finally, I want to tell one thing. We are all in an inspiring time. You are all GCC people. India is blessed with all advantages. One is Aadhaar and also other authentication. No other country is having this type of advantage. Second one is, by using Aadhaar, every person starting from child, you can make every family as a unit. You can position geotagging of every house. Then central government, state government programs we can integrate. Then ultimately I can plan every family, macro, micro planning. I can visualize what I have to do, and also I can execute very systematically. One project we are working with Bill Gates, this is Sanjeevani. Total digital health records, and also ultimately preventive, curative, and real-time monitoring, very cost-effective model. Bill Gates is working through his foundation. He is going to bring technology and also knowledge. We are going to execute it. If everything goes right, we are going to replicate other states also. Those who are all willing, we can work with them also. Why I am saying this? We are having data lake. In data lake, all the data, historical data we gathered together. Now AI has come. I can use AI and also real-time data through satellite, drone, CCTV camera, wearables, and also sensors. Everything around 40 to 50 parameters I can collect real time. Then by using AI, now quantum computing also is there. Then solution we can provide through WhatsApp governance. As on today, 725 services we are providing on WhatsApp. Just like private companies, we are asking customers to rate the quality of services. Rating also we are doing now, so that I can correct real time. These are all various innovative programs we are working. So finally, I want to say, before leaving here, every GCC company has to have one MOU with the government of Andhra Pradesh to set up your GCC operations in Visakhapatnam. We won't regret for that. Even I am thanking Honorable Finance Minister. She is promoting GCC. She has selected very right way. Future is for GCC and also other knowledge economy areas. India is going to become global hub for providing services through knowledge economy. Only you need physical presence, you can go, or otherwise from anywhere to anywhere we can provide services. This is where I am promoting. Distance is not the constraint. One should have a mindset. Think globally, act globally. You can achieve any goal. So with all these things again, I am telling you, Visakhapatnam is a wonderful city. All other things, quality of life, creating ecosystem, cost advantage, power, uninterrupted, even green energy, even financial incentives, and also skill development and innovation, even big companies, tailored ecosystem, and also what are all the incentives, land and other things. If you create wealth for me and generate resources, that means generation of revenue, then I can share it. Even Government of India is doing same thing. But abnormal, if you ask demands, that may be having some problem. Transparent way, what are all permissible, my government is prepared to extend all the cooperation for all of you. I am assuring you that. So, ultimately, if all of us will create wealth, then only we can eradicate poverty. You won't eradicate, you won't create wealth, then poverty will prevail forever. There I am working pro-poor stand, even Government of India, both areas we are all only one government. Double engine Sarkar, double engine growth because of center support. Last year 12% growth rate from Andhra Pradesh. This year first quarter we are able to grow 10.5%. Ours is a responsible government here, even Andhra Pradesh government. So with all these things again I am thanking all of you and welcome Visakhapatnam. First meeting Honorable Finance Minister conducted here GCC. I am thanking her. That is where he asked me, GCC meeting we will have in Visakhapatnam. That is a good area. If you accept immediately, we will call. Then I told her immediately, at any time I am available. This is one area I have to get that ecosystem players. Today we are all here. Earlier I started one family, one IT professional. Today I am talking one family, one entrepreneur. There I am building Ratan Tata Innovation Hub. Tata Group is going to lead that center. Government is going to support. Knowledge partner IIT Chennai and also local university, they are joining. We are bringing venture capital and also mentoring experts and also banks, they are working with us. Visakhapatnam spoke model 1. This is headed by GMR, same Andhra University, knowledge partner. First time you see industry and academic institutions never we worked together. Here policy makers from government side, industry from industry side, and academic institutions, all of us are together we are working. This is a win-win situation.